Here's a feature I bet you did not know Nero could do, or any agent could do for that matter. So let's say I wanted to start meal planning and get serious about fitness, and specifically just get all meals planned out every Sunday. But I didn't just want Nero to do a generic job at it. I want a specialist domain expert on this. You can actually task Nero to build a custom specialized sub-agent to help with this specific task. So let's go ahead and try that. Hey Nero, I'm on this meal planning Notion page, and I want you to actually build a custom agent that's specialized in meal planning, and then use that to assist you in creating my meal plans every week.
Got it. You want a custom agent built specifically for meal planning, and you want me to use it to generate your weekly meal plans and manage them in your Notion page. Let's get specific so Vulcan can build the right thing. What do you want this agent to do? E.g., suggest meals, generate grocery lists, consider dietary restrictions, track pantry inventory, sync with your calendar, etc.
No, nothing too extreme. I just want it to suggest, basically have an idea of the calories that I want, and then have a list of ingredients, and then just a list of different meals, specifically just for dinner. I don't need lunch or breakfast.
Perfect. Here's what I'll have Vulcan build. Purpose, suggest dinner meals for the week based on a target calorie range.
Cool. That sounds good, Nero. Go ahead and let's build it, and then let's use it. So on the front end, Nero does all of this automatically and just kind of magically spins this up. But what's actually happening, I'll show you right now. So we'll just simplify what just happened into a very simple, create a simple meal planning agent. So this uses our internal agent builder that builds an agent on our architecture, uses our best practices, uses the Magma framework, and will actually deploy the agent, and you can customize everything you want, the model it uses, the type of data it returns, and you can even add evals to it at the end to make sure that it is exactly what you want. So you see it's generating the prompt, it'll generate the actual code to run the agent, and then it'll deploy it into your organization, which gives Nero access to it. And so you can think of these agents less as agents and more as capabilities for Nero specifically. Okay, so now this agent is built. All we have to do is deploy it. This will take us into the deployment step, where in a few seconds this will be live. Hey Nero, what agents do you have access to at the moment?
Here's what I can work with right now. Right now I have access to these agents. Budget tracker agent, video suggestion agent, dinner meal planner, your new custom agent, Google Calendar, meal planner agent, Notion agent.
Can you actually ask the meal planner agent and do whatever you need to do? I want a nice, light, fish-based meal tonight. Just have it return something. And then can you get whatever it returns, can you add it to the meal planning Notion document for me?
On it, asking the meal planner agent for a nice, light, fish-based dinner for tonight. Request sent to the meal planner agent. As soon as I get the meal suggestion, I'll add it to your meal planning Notion page.
All right, so now we're back in Notion. And the cool thing is I walked away to get water. Nero in the background had a conversation with the meal planning agent. Then what it got back, it sent to Notion. And all this happened in the background without me interacting with Nero any further. And now I have a nice meal plan for tonight. So this is an example of how to use Nero in a productive way. And you can imagine that as you stack different agents and capabilities and really specialize on the things that you care about in life, that Nero can really start buying back a ton of time and productivity for your day-to-day outside of just work-related tasks. Anyways, thanks.